Hi everyone! I wanted to show you the cute little grill that I have at the Silhouette Design Store and in my shop at shop.lorywhitlock.com in SVG format. This little grill is so darling and it's really easy to put together. I'm not going to do a full tutorial on it, but I wanted to show you really quick how it's constructed and how easy it is for you to put together. So when you get the file, you'll see that there are two pieces for the base of the grill. And basically it's a slip lid box. So you're going to just assemble this piece and you're going to assemble the lid, and they literally just slip together just like that. There's the two covering panels with some holes to put the little brads in. So that box is completely put together as one piece. And then this little grill top piece is the same exact construction. It's just a slip lid box. So you'll put together this large tray piece and glue it to the top of the base of the grill. See how easy that is? And then there's a lid, again, a slip lid box that just slips right on top of that. And I've designed this piece to be big enough to hold a couple of gift cards. And this piece is perfect for holding some candy or some treats. So this is about 3¼ inch by 3¼ and this is about 2¼ inches deep. So your gift cards will fit right in here. You could use some little pop dots to hold those in place. How cute would that be for Father's Day? And then the grill top looks like this. It's just the top of this box lid, and it's got some covering panels on the side. I've gone ahead and put some brads in, and you can see those on the inside of the lid here. And then you just go ahead and put a covering panel on the top and the two burners on the side and the large grill burner through the middle. And then probably the most complicated piece of the whole project is the lid, the grill top lid, which is not hard at all. It's just a long piece here that attaches to the back of this little lid piece, a score line right here, and then there's the little glue tabs that form this little box piece. And that just hinges with this little scored line here. And then just go ahead and use little pop dots to put on this handle. So it's just a cute little project. I think your dads and fathers and grandfathers will enjoy this cute grill for Father's Day this year. If you have any questions or if you make one of these, I would sure love to see that on my Facebook page. So please feel free to drop by and show us what you make this Father's Day. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave those here on my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe so that you can watch all of our newest crafty videos. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.